Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Monster Zombie Vlogs. My name is Saikat and today we are visiting Adiyogi. So the main reason behind visiting Adiyogi is I'm a big follower of Sadhguru, and this Adiyogi statue has been designed by Sadhguru himself. Adiyogi is actually the statue of Lord Shiva, as you will see in this video. This statue actually holds a Guinness Book of Record as the world's largest bird statue. The statue is about 112 feet tall and is situated in Coimbatore. So in Coimbatore, this is one of the most visited places. The reason behind why it is being visited the most, you will get to know once you visit this place, because this is so beautiful that I cannot express my feelings right now. So watch the video till the end so that you do not miss anything from the vlog, because I've tried to cover almost everything that I've seen in Adiyogi. Also, there are a few bonus drone shots that you will see in this video.
जय हो शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने क्या बुरा है क्या भला तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय त्रिलोक